name is Michael Donoghue. I come from Ireland, Dublin. I started falling out about 4 years ago. I started receding down my area and front. It took me a long time before I even thought of a hair transplant, and my friend came last year, came to this exact place, and he came home after a year of seeing his hair transformation. It was crazy, so I jumped on board. Yes, it affected my whole life. Through sea swims, windy days, rainy days, I always tried to hide it best I could. How was the procedure? What way did it go about it? Payment? Was it sore? Was it easy? And everything that he said about Hair of Istanbul was pretty much 100% recommendation to anybody that did want to come. But for myself, definitely, it was a must. Just a bit more confidence in himself, a bit more push towards life. He was pretty bad and he got a very good hairline from it. So, I loved every step from the moment I've landed in Istanbul was absolutely crazy. The treatment, 5-star rating, everything about it just worked out wonderfully. 4 years ago, I used medicine, yes, and I think that's what the main reason was, because that's when I started receding more. So I stopped using it, but it looked like it was pretty bad before then, but ever since then I stopped using, so hoping to get full growth back now. I would like to say thank you to all of Hair of Istanbul team. I really recommend anybody that is struggling or have a low self-esteem or self-confidence in their hair, definitely recommend straight to Hair of Istanbul. I really want to say thank you to all the team, support, doctors, surgeons and such as ourselves. I want to say a big huge thank you and hope to see us in the future.